Now I'm going to conduct your speaking part 2. In this part, you have to present about a topic for 3 to 5 minutes. I think you already got your topic, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you remember your topic?
Sure, sir.
What is the topic?
My presentation topics was the advantage and disadvantage of sharing health information.
Well, now you have 3 to 5 minutes. Before your presentation, you have to say, now I will begin my presentation. And after completing your presentation, you have to say thank you for your attention. You can start now.
Okay, thank you, sir. Now I begin my presentations. The presentation topics was the advantages and disadvantages of sharing health information. So, in a nutshell, I will discuss about my opinions, and the first part of my presentations, I will discuss the advantages, and the second part of my presentation, I will discuss the disadvantages of these topics. So, firstly, I would like to tell about the advantages. So, my topics was the advantages and disadvantages of the sharing health information. First of all, sharing health information is a very crucial and important aspects for every patient, because when patients come in the hospitals or any healthcare settings, the patients must be provide the health information to the doctors, nurse, or any other health professionals. Because if they do not provide any sufficient information about their health related problems or about their any other personal problems, so it's very quite difficult to provide the better treatments. In any hospital settings, every doctor and nurse record their information about their health and about their personal. So first attempts, they have forms which already fill up by the patients. Here the patients can give the information about their personal, about their age, about their health related problems. So there are several lots of advantages to provide health information. The first one is, if the patients provide the actual health information, the data, they can get they can get the beneficial treatments from the doctors and the other health professionals. This is the number one advantage. And the second advantage is that this data researchers can provide, and researchers can invent some new medicines, because they can identify to research their data that which medicines could be implemented, which medicines very essential to these patients. They can identify easily from this data. For example, if I say in COVID-19, most of the patients are affected in COVID-19. So many researchers can searching which medicine is appropriate for this patient. So after getting the data from many others medical college or many other hospitals, they can identify at last, they can invent some vaccines such as like Pfizer, and another is Covishield, such as. So this is the main crucial things. If the patients provide the actual data, the researchers can invent the new medicines, which is very beneficial for the patients. On the other hand, if I say this data is very essential and crucial for the patients and their individuals, because if the patients provide their actual data, they can get their actual treatments. For example, some patients face their personal problem, or like their biological problem, or like their sexual related problems. So if they provide the actual problems, actual data, they can get the more important, and they can get the crucial treatments from the doctor. So this is the advantages of my presentations, and the second part I will discuss the disadvantages of this sharing the data and information. So that there have several disadvantages of this sharing information. First of all, if these informations are not in use in the appropriately, so this will be the harmful for the patients, because they can lost their privacy, and they hamper their privacy. On the other hand, misuse information, some insurance companies get from this data, and they can misuse, they can harass these patients. On the other, in addition, so they can publicly open this information. So some people feel shy to share this information actually. On the other hand, if the patients provide the mistakes, or if the patients provide the wrong information or wrong data, that times there have been special possibilities to take the wrong treatment. So this is the main disadvantage. If I summarize the disadvantage, If the patients are sharing their personal data, they're sharing their health-related data incorrectly, they didn't get any proper service from the medical treatment or proper service from medical professionals. So, in a nutshell, I can say there have both advantages and disadvantages of this sharing data, especially in health settings. So advantages outweigh the disadvantages because health is a crucial aspect of every person. So to get proper treatments, sharing the health information correctly is, I think this is the crucial and very important for every patient. So thank you, sir. This was my presentation. Thank you for your attention.
Well, thank you for your topic presentation. So this is end of your speaking part 2. Now I'm going to conduct your